In this video, we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equation with Casio fx-991 AS plus calculator easily in a matter of seconds, especially for multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, you'll be able to solve problems involving simultaneous equations easily with Casio calculator. So ensure you stay with me till the end of this video. Okay, now let's look at the examples I have here and solve them together. For this particular video, we will deal with simultaneous equations involving two variables. So, example 1 we have here is a two variables example. So let's get a Casio calculator and solve the problem together. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go to mode, or better, you can use a calculator. So let's press shift button 9, put the instruction you want to clear, or you press 3, press equal to again. So now let's go to mode. Now equation is option 5. Now here category 1 represents simultaneous equations for two variables, whereas category 2 is for simultaneous equations for three variables. Now category 3 here is for quadratic equation. We're not doing quadratic, we're doing simultaneous. That means we'll either make use of one or two depending on the variables we have. So for example 1, we are going to use category 1 since example 1 is involving only two variables. So we press 1. Okay, so in this example 1, the first equation, our A will be the coefficient of 4x, which is 4, press equal to. Our B will be the coefficient of 3y, which is 3. Then our C will be our constant, which is 4. Alright, press equal to enter. Now, for the second equation, our A will be the coefficient of 2x, which is 2. Now, our B will be the coefficient of minus 5y, which is minus 5. Okay, so our C will be our constant, which is 15. Now, for those of you that don't know what coefficient means, coefficient simply refers to a number behind an unknown or a variable. Very simple. So having known that, let's get our respective values x and y. Now to do that, we press equal to. So our x is 5 over 2. If we want to put it in decimal, we press SD 2.5 or 5 over 2. Then our y will be minus 2. So y, our x is 5 over 2 or 2.5, our y is minus 2. So that's it for example 1. Now let's look at example 2. This example 2 looks somehow challenging because it's in fraction, but very, very simple. We're going to do it together now. You see that it's very, very simple. Just the same method despite the fraction is having. Okay, now let's clear a calculator. Very, very important. Anytime you are done with a particular question, ensure you clear the calculator to be at a safe side. Okay, so to clear, press shift 9, follow the instruction, press equal to again. So let's go back to mode, equation, which is 5. Now example 2, we're also dealing with two variables x and y. That means we make use of option 1, right? Okay, so the coefficients of in equation 1, the coefficient of x over 2 is 1 over 2. The coefficient of x here is 1. So that's 1 over 2. We press 1 divided by 2. Press equal to enter. That one is our B will be coefficient of y over 3. That's 1 over 3. So it's either you use this division, so 1 divided by 3, or you can make use of this one. I always recommend this one divided by 3. Either one will work for this particular solving. Okay, so our constant is 2 whole number 5 over 6. let's put it in improper fashion. That's 6 times 2, 12 plus 5, 17. That's 17 divided by 6 will be our constant. Alright, yeah. So for equation 2, our coefficient of x there could be our a is 1. So we press 1 is equal to, whereas our b, the coefficient will be the coefficient of minus y over 2 is minus 1 over 2. So we have minus 1 divided by 2, that's minus 0.5. Whereas our constant here is 1. Very, very simple. Okay, so having know that, let's press equal to now and get our values. So while our x is 3, our y is what? 4. Very, very important. So as you can see, how we just did it, very, very simple. So learn something interesting from this video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my subsequent video.